Welcome aboard the 28.4 metre peri yachts Quantum, and thank you for joining us for this video walkthrough through the boat, both internally and externally. A quick bit of background: she's got a beam of 6.48 metres, built by Peri Yachts in 2007. She's a Scaro Design. Peri Yachts are quite well known. As you'll see from these videos, she's a cracking looking yacht. Powered by twin MTU 1500 horsepower diesels, she's got a range of about 300 nautical miles, maximum speed of 22 knots. She cruises around 15-16 knots, and we'll talk about the guest accommodation shortly, but 8 in 4 staterooms. Quantum's also been an incredibly popular charter boat. And you will see why from the interior images and the space and luxurious appointment of the interior. Here we're looking at the main saloon, obviously, with the formal dining area, looking back towards the main saloon itself, and of course the aft cockpit. She has a modern and constantly upgraded interior. And now we're moving forward to the galley area, which again you'll see is very well equipped and spacious and perfect for serving guests, whether they be on charter or as a private yacht. A quick run through dimensions: 28.4 metres or 93.3 feet. Draft is 1.87 metres or 6'2". Displacement 70 metric tons. GRP construction, teak deck. Maximum speed is 22 knots and cruising speed is a good 15-16 knots with excellent fuel economy at that speed. She's fitted, as I say, with twin MTU 1500 horsepower diesels with engine hours approximately 2600 hours and 2 Onan 22.5 kilowatt generators. So this is the guest accommodation, as you can see, very spacious, obviously all with en suites. Here you can see there's even a bath. Mechanically, she's fitted with water maker, Webasto air conditioning system. She's fitted with a bow thruster to help with close quarter manoeuvres. Communication and navigation equipment has been upgraded with Furuno electronics suite in 2016-17, and as you'd expect, a full suite of proper navigation equipment. Entertainment wise, she's got plasma TVs in the main saloon and all cabins, DVD CD players, iPod docking station as you'd expect, and of course onboard Wi-Fi connectivity, which is especially useful for charter guests who, of course, all like their Wi-Fi. There's a 4G wireless router fitted. Obviously, we're now in the main wheelhouse and now moving down into the main guest accommodation. She accommodates 8 guests in 4 staterooms. The master and VIP staterooms both on the lower deck boast king-size beds and ensuite bathrooms, as I said. Also on the lower deck are 2 twin staterooms, also with bathrooms en suite. Approximate headroom throughout the guest areas is 2 metres, so plenty of room. Whilst we're looking at the guest accommodation here, I'll just quite run through tenders and toys. She's fitted with a Selva 470 metre with a 75 horsepower Evenrude E-Tech outboard engine, 2 sets of water skis, monoski, wakeboards, paddle boards, etc. All you'd expect for a guest to enjoy when she's at anchor. As I say, she is coded for charter, so safety and security is well up to date with the usual safety equipment, including SOLAS life rafts, There's actually 20 portable fire extinguishers, so well equipped from a safety aspect as well. The boat has had continuous routine and refit maintenance, and a list of all the refit work that's been done is available by separate request. I think you'll agree that the yacht presents very well indeed. She has excellent accommodation, which is one of the reasons why she's so popular as a charter yacht as well. Quantum is competitively priced when you compare to what else is on the market. She is for sale with us here at Ocean Independence. Contact either Tim Quinlan in the UK or Jack Gradus in the south of France. Now you can see we're outside the boat, and this is the foredeck area with the sunbathing sun pads and a small seating area forward of that. All the upholstery and the teak is in good condition. There's a good view looking aft now up onto the flybridge, and we'll come up the aft steps onto the flybridge itself and show you around. Obviously this is where you spend most of your time, and you can see there's the sun bimini, dining area, lounging area, bar, and then that's your crane for the tender, which when you're on passage would be up there. Otherwise that will be a sunbathing stroke relaxing area when the tender's at sea. Very comfortable flybridge, as you expect, very spacious. And just panning around, this is the upper helm position obviously. It gives you a good idea of the condition of the boat as well, which is, as you'd expect, excellent.